Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have an upgraded adjustable door lock. Pretty neat. Comes with a little carrying bag, and this is the lock itself. And if you have a door that opens inside, like in a hotel room, or if you're out traveling, what you do is you simply line this little notch up, you put it into the locking mechanism on the side, so to kind of give you an idea. And then you're basically just shutting the door on that lock. And then you twist this, you slide this down, see what side fits better, and this does adjust, so you can move that out, and then you're basically just tightening this wing nut down. So once you have it nice and tight, and you'll feel kind of like find its home. Now you have a lock. Now, even if they were able to get into this lock, they wouldn't be able to get past this. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.